There are so many ways to find stock ideas, from the news, from social media and more. But one of the best ways to actually build rigor into your investment process and make sure that you're finding shares from the pool of companies that are best exposed to the powerful return drivers like quality, value and momentum is to use a stock screen. And this is especially important by using a stock screen with a great database. And this is the foundation of Stockopedia. So I'm going to show you a few ways that you can do this on the site, starting with our pre-rolled preset screens. If you go to the sidebar and you go to browse, you will see in the sidebar a set of Stockopedia screen categories, including the top stock ranks categories, the stock rank stars and the risk ratings, and also some Guru Screen categories. If you want to go and look for quality stocks, value stocks, and more, you can go and browse these categories. We actually use 65 of the great books in investing and whittled them down into certain sets of criteria that show the candidate shares that qualify for them. But let's start by going to popular screens at the top here. You can see some of our Stockopedia screens in a list. The top stock rank screen is here, and some other combinations of the quality, value and momentum ranks. So this one, for example, shows the top quality and momentum ranked stocks in the market. You can also see the Guru Screens below here. And these are some books that actually personally I found very influential on my investing process and taught me a lot about how the stock markets work, from Greenblatt's Magic Formula to Jim Slater's Zulu Principle screen. Now I'm going to click through to the top stock rank screen because this shows you the highest ranked stocks on the market. You see a quick description, you see what rules this screen is based on, the performance history since inception of the top 25 or so stocks in that screen, and then you see a list of candidate stocks at the moment. And you can go and click through very easily to go and look at these shares in a lot more depth on the stock report, or potentially you can look at different table views to go and look into certain ranks more deeply or certain value measures more deeply as you wish. Let's have a quick look at Sarabi Gold here because it's very highly ranked. And also, if you look in the middle of the stock report, ignoring all the other data on the stock report, you can see it's qualifying for 3 Guru screens: Greenblatt's Magic Formula, and also a T. Rowe Price screen and a Piotrowski screen. This tells me that potentially there are various different types of criteria that this stock qualifies for, and I think that's always a positive, even though many things can happen to individual shares. Let's go though back and build our own screen using our own criteria. Hover over screens and click new screen. You can very, very quickly now, let's say we're looking for shares that are good quality and also have a good yield. We're starting with 1,253 results. If we add a rule, we can then search for the quality rank and click add rule. And let's choose that greater than 90. We've already got it down to 126 stocks. Let's add a rule. Let's search for yield. And let's look for yields above 4%. And that immediately gets us down to 34 stocks. That's a much, much more manageable list. And we know that they're generally quite high ranked, very high quality with strong yields. And generally this might be a good starting point to start building a diversified portfolio from. And that really can get you started. Now there's lots of ways to go and learn about how to use our screening resources. Go to the learn area and you will find a financial glossary, financial ratio glossary here, other videos on our YouTube channel and in our academy. And if you go to the glossary, you can learn all about different types of ranks and different financial ratios that we've got in our library that can really get you accelerated in your disciplined investing style. That's it. We're just going to have a quick brief overview. Hope you enjoy getting stuck in.